Rick Rated, coming to you from the Waikiki Sheraton Hotel. I'm going to take you on a quick tour, a walking tour of the hotel. It's a beautiful spot. If you've never stayed here before, I'll show you some of the ins and outs. If you have stayed here and just want to reminisce, come along, let's check it out. And when you first arrive, if you rented a car, you want to be careful not to turn in here to the right. That is the Royal Hawaiian Center parking lot. You want to keep going a little bit. Hang right here, and then you can see over there, you turn left into the hotel self-parking. As of September of 2024, self-parking is $55 a night, and valet is $65 a night. So coming over here, like these cars, up to the roundabout here is where you'd go for your valet. And this hotel, it's amazing, it's 50 years old. It doesn't look its age. I'm sure it's been renovated. But this hotel is where the Bradys stayed in season 4, episode 1 of the Brady Bunch, an episode titled Hawaii Bound. I did a separate video for that. It probably isn't up yet. Check my channel. Be sure to subscribe so you get an alert. And I'll be putting that up with some Brady filming locations. They were dropped off right where that family's standing over there. As we enter the lobby, there's some interesting sculptures here of ohana, of sea turtles. Follow the path over here to the right. That will take you toward registration. I just want to point this out. First shop on the right is a ukulele store. All sorts of ukuleles here. Wow, a little electric ukulele or something. They range from pretty cheap to quite expensive. The cool thing here, every day at 4 o'clock, you got free ukulele lessons if you want to learn how to play. You can buy one pretty cheap. Cool stuff, right? This is like, they have their own shopping mall basically. All sorts of high-end stores. Got some art over there. Clothing, jewelry. Got a cookie store over here. $1.99 cookie a day. My favorite deal though, it's over here. 2 cookies of milk for $4.79. Just for reference, there's a Baskin-Robbins ice cream store over here, and a single scoop cone there is $5. So that's not a bad deal if you're craving some sweets. Over here on the right is registration. Really cool sculpture here. Hanu. What did I say? I got that wrong earlier. I said ohana. That's family. All right, let's continue on. I'm going to take you over here to the left first. This little lounge area is pretty cool. Got some pool tables. And some donuts. I don't know what they sell. It looks like just sweets. More jewelry. More clothing. Over here you got some rocking chairs to relax. That's right in front of the koi pond. No, buddy, I'm not here to feed you. He got all excited when he saw me. That guy's massive. Okay, back into this lounge. Just 1 second. Have you hit subscribe yet? Do me a favor. Tap the subscribe button. Tap the bell so you get notifications. And like this video. I would really appreciate it. It helps me tremendously. And it doesn't cost a dime. Thanks. Let's get back to the video. Back out by the sculpture and continue on down the hallway toward the elevator banks. There are 10 elevators in this hotel, all centrally located in one hub. Hey, if you forget your socks, you got some just for fun socks here. Sandals. Hats. Right here on the right is the Lawson Station, which is very much like the ABC stores you find all around Waikiki, but this is conveniently located inside the hotel complex. Now come over here and you'll find the elevator hub. You'll notice there are no buttons on the walls. There's just a single button located over in the center here, and that will call the elevator for you. However, most of the time I find an elevator open. The default is for the elevator to stay open on the first floor. So right here you see one is waiting for passengers. And we're going to continue out toward the water. Here on the right is a Honolulu Coffee Company. Open 6 to 6. And over here on the left is the Rum Fire. That's a restaurant and bar. We have indoor and outdoor seating. And over here, we have the Edge Infinity Pool. This is a really cool pool. See right there? Looks like it disappears into the ocean. Now, reservations are required, I believe. You have to come down here, or not a reservation, but you check in, and it's based on availability. Here's the rules. It's adults only. No outside food. Don't leave the pool chairs unattended. You can't save them. No loud music. No floaties in this pool. Scan for chair rentals. But really cool. You get service at your seat from the bartenders or from the cocktail waitress. Go ahead. These are really relaxing chairs. almost fell asleep in one, but they're super low. And sit at an angle. I almost couldn't get out. Alright, I gotta put my sunglasses on. I'll edit this. And here's the cabanas you can rent. There's some on the ocean or right in front of the infinity pool. Let's have some over here, right off the rum fire. Some outdoor seating over here. This is the spot that everyone gathers around to take pictures of the sunset. And you'll see dozens and dozens of people. The sunset's over here. You can get some great shots with the tiki torches lit. Nice. High tide was a couple, 2.5 hours ago. It was at noon. Hope I don't get wet here. Yeah, that was weak. So over on this side is awesome view of Diamond Head right there. A couple of catamarans coming in. Those are fun excursions. So you can get cabanas over here at the main pool as well. Now this is the family pool, so you can bring your kids to this one. In fact, there's a pool, there's two jacuzzis right there. And over here is a slide for the kids. Get your towels right here. Just got to show me your room key, I believe. Room keys are interesting here. They're actually wristbands, kind of like a magic band, I think it's called, at Disneyland or Walt Disney World. So anyway, that's where that lounge was. Over here, you got Baskin Robbins, some foosball, some shuffleboard. Lots of activities. Like I said, it's $5 for a single scoop cone, $7 something for a double scoop. More shopping. Bring your credit cards. And we're back by the elevators. Now that we got that loop out of the way, I want to go over here. There's another restaurant and my favorite bar. Go down this hallway. Some public restrooms in there. The Kai Market restaurant is down here. It's closed now. You can get lunch over here at the bar. Come down here. Cocktails or lunch at the edge of Waikiki Bar. This is a great place to hang out. Got the ocean right there. You'll have some live entertainment here. So if you sit on this side, you can get a nice ocean view. Hey, Dove. This is the other spot that everyone hangs out at sunset. Got some great pictures last night. A lot of time there's clouds in the distance though, and the sunset's behind them. But yesterday the clouds were a little higher than the water, so the sun came right through that break and had a nice sunset. This beach is where the Mai Tai, I believe it's just called the Mai Tai, catamaran launches and drops off. You just go down that pathway. I showed that in another video. Down that pathway, right around the corner, is the booth where you purchase your catamaran tickets. You know what? I think it's time for a cocktail. It's the spot.